So now we are going to talk about Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Dholavira and Lothal. These were the main important cities of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are in Pakistan. Dholavira is next to Kutch and Bhuj, while Lothal is when you go to Ahmedabad from Bhavnagar, you will find Lothal. Badhu destroyed che. If you go to Lothal, you will not find anything. It's like a khandar. So I would not suggest you all to go there. But Dholavira, agar tame Bhuj Kutch baju rehyo cho, to you should visit. It's very nice. Though I haven't visited, but I have seen the photographs and it's very nice. But Baki Lothal ma there's nothing. Okay. First, we are going to talk about Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro in 1922, archaeologists named Rakhal Das Banerjee and Dayaram Sahani found out the remains of a huge town planning during excavation work, which was carried out under the guidance of Sir John Marshall and Colonel Mehak in Larkhind district, now in Pakistan, of Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro means heaps of the dead. So 1922 there were two Indian archaeologists. Who are archaeologists? People who study history, people who study ખોદકામમાંથી જે વસ્તુ બહાર નીકળી હોય એ બધાને એ લોકો કેમિકલી ટેસ્ટ કરીને એ લોકોનું એજ કાઢે, એ લોકોનું એ બધું કાઢે. Okay, that these people are called archaeologists. Okay, Arpuri Sahib is an archaeologist. So Rakhal Das Banerjee and Dayaram Sahani, okay, when they were working because they were doing an excavation work. Okay, I told you excavation means खोदकाम. So when they were doing this excavation work, and obviously e time par Britishers hata, so e lokona officers or e lokona head kon hata? Sir John Marshall and Colonel Mehak. These people were the head and they were working under them. Okay, so when they found out the remains, okay, they found out some things which made them believe that there is something which is there underneath the soil. There might be something underneath the soil, and they discovered a whole lot of city, and they named this city Mohenjo-daro, which means heaps of the dead. Heaps of the dead એટલે મરેલા લોકોના આપણે જે હાડકા પડ્યા હોય એ લોકોનું ઢેર હોય ને, that is called heaps of the dead. Okay, first is construction. Maybe એ લોકોના ઘણા બધા હાડકા મળ્યા હશે અહીંયાથી. Okay, so that is why they would have named the city heaps of the dead. Okay, first we are going to talk about is the construction of the town. From the point of view of town planning, Mohenjo-daro is the best. Okay, town planning ma Mohenjo-daro is the best. Houses were built on high plinth to protect them from floods and dampness. The houses of the rich were double-storied, having 5 to 7 rooms, while those of people were single-storied, having 2 or 3 rooms. Okay, so what they said, houses were built on high plinth. Plinth એટલે platform. Okay, so the houses were built on a high platform. Usually why? ताकि अगर floods आवे, floods એટલે you know what floods is, right? So જ્યારે floods આવે તો ઘર તૂટી ન જાય, કે ભાઈ વરસાદ આવે કે તો પાણી નીકળી જઈ શકે. ઓકે, અધરવાઇઝ નીચે ગ્રાઉન્ડ ફ્લોર ઉપર જ ઘર હશે તો બધું ડેમ્પ થઈ જશે. ડેમ્પ એટલે ઓબ્વિયસલી એ ટાઈમ પર ઘર બધા મિટ્ટીના બન્યા હતા, રાઈટ? સો ભીના થઈ જશે, ડેમ્પ એને એવું કહેવાય. ઓકે, સો ઇન ઓર્ડર ટુ અવોઇડ દેટ they were built on a high platform. Okay, like a stage sort of a thing, it was built on that. The houses of the rich people had double-storied. બે માળના ઘર હતા for the rich people, while the poor people had only one story. Okay, એક જ તે માળનું ઘર હતું, બાકી rich વાળાને બે માળના ઘર હતા. Okay, and the rich people had 5 to 7 rooms. Okay, while the poor people had 2 or 3 rooms. The town was fortified. Fortified એટલે town was protected with a fort. Okay, like suppose આ town છે. Okay, so અહીંયા આગળ there would have been a fort in order to protect the city from the enemies. The main entrance of the house opened on the side lanes and not on the main road. So ઘરનો દરવાજો main road ઉપર ન ખુલતો, બાકી સાઈડમાં જે લેન હોય ને ત્યાં મેઇન દરવાજો ખુલતો. Okay, so your house door would not be in the front, but it would be on the side to open it to the side lane. Okay, remains of the storehouse, kitchen and bathroom were found in every house. So every house had a storehouse, kitchen and a bathroom. There was a proper arrangement of doors and windows to keep the house airy and ventilated. So proper amount of doors were there, proper amount of windows were there, so that air could come in and go out and proper ventilation would be there. Second is roads. Roads were the main feature of the town planning. The roads were 9.75 meters wide. Okay, એટલા wide roads હતા. The small link roads cross the major ones on the right angle. मतलब જે નાના નાના roads હોય ને એ મોટા roads ને right angle પર મળતા. Right angle એટલે L shape. Okay, so નાના roads, suppose this would be your big road or your main road and this would be your smaller road. So they would meet each other at a right angle. Okay. The roads were wide enough for number of vehicles to pass at a time. The roads were so big that lot of vehicles could keep on moving. Pits on the roadside suggest that there might have been a lamp post on the road of the town. Were straight main roads without any turns. So there were pits. Pits એટલે road ની અંદર આમ ખોદેલું હતું વચ્ચે નહીં સોરી સાઈડમાં ખોદેલા હતા, which means કે maybe lamp કરવા માટે they would have made a gadda over there. Okay, like for example right now for electricity pole we have electricity poles on the sides of the road. Similarly they had khaddas, okay, for the light. Okay, so e time par to obviously electricity noti, so fire na lamps they were using, okay, on the roads. Roads of the towns were straight main roads without any turns. Okay, there were no turns, no gully gucci bucci, all roads were straight. This is considered to be the speciality of ancient time. This is something which is very very special for the ancient time. There were two main roads. One was going from north to south and other from east to west. Two main roads, okay, north to south and east to west. Okay, both would cross each other at a right angle. Okay. Next is drainage system. Drainage system એટલે ગટર. તમે નાઓ એ બધું પાણી ઘરની બહાર તો નીકળવું જોઈએ ને, so that is called drainage system. Drainage system is a unique feature of this town planning. Such a drainage system was found nowhere except on the island of Crete in Mediterranean Sea. This system was built to drain dirty water out from the town. Each and every house had a cesspit. This planned and systematic and efficient drainage system clearly proves that they were very careful about health and hygiene. So what happened? Drainage system. So drainage system je hati is only found in the Mediterranean Sea ની બાજુમાં એક જગ્યા છે જેનું નામ છે Crete Island છે. Crete Island એના ઉપર જ તે આવી drainage system found થઈ હતી. અને second was Indus Valley civilization. Okay, why was drainage built? Drainage એટલે gutter system. Why was this gutter system built? To make sure that the dirty water goes outside the house. Every house had a cesspit. Cesspit એટલે a covered pit designed to receive liquid waste or storage. मतलब हर घરની બહાર और हर ઘરની પાસે એક pit હશે. pit એટલે ગड्ढो ખોદેલો હશે, બધું પાણી ગड्ढાની અંદર જ જશે. Okay, અને પછી એ ગड्ढાને કવર કરી લે, like your present time gutters. Okay, so there were such gutters. Every house had such gutter. Okay, all and the drainage, the gutter system was not open like how we have some places have open gutters. The gutters were not open. Okay, this shows that these people were very hygienic. These people were very very conscious about their health. Next is public bath. A huge bath was excavated at Mohenjo-daro. There was an arrangement to put fresh water and dirty water out. There might have been a facility for hot water and small rooms for changing the clothes. The public bath might have been useful in festivals and religious ceremonies. Public bath એટલે મોટું એવું swimming pool types. Okay, એ મોટા swimming pool માં everybody would go inside and have a, જ્યારે ફેસ્ટિવલ કે કાંઈક રિલિજિયસ સેરેમની હોય ત્યારે બધા એ મોટા એવા સ્વિમિંગ પૂલની અંદર they used to go to have a bath, and there would have been a system wherein ગંદુ પાણી નીકળી શકે અને ફ્રેશ પાણી આવી શકે, like your swimming pool. And obviously they had the facility of hot water and they also had rooms so that people could change their clothes. Public buildings. The ruins of two huge buildings have been found in Mohenjo-daro. They might have been used a small town hall or as a theatre for administrative office or a granary. The barrack of such a building was also found. This must have been used to accommodate soldiers. So there is other two huge buildings which are found in Mohenjo-daro. Okay, they might have been a town hall. Town hall એટલે લોકો માટે બેસવા, ઓકે, જ્યાં થિયેટર કે ડ્રામા પરફોર્મ થતો હશે, કા ઓફિસ કામ માટે એ પ્લેસ યુઝ થતી હશે, કા ગ્રેનરી માટે. ગ્રેનરી એટલે જે ફૂડ આવે એને સ્ટોર કરવા માટે યુઝ થતો હશે. મે બી, વી ડુ નોટ નો. ઓકે, the remains of such buildings were found. Okay, such buildings na remains have been found. Okay, and maybe it could have been used even for soldiers to stay inside.